What's up, guys? It's Philly Storage RC. Today I had the Kyosho Mad Van. Yeah, I wanted to pull out my old school Mad Van. This thing is a ripper. It's just fragile. Do a recap of my RC cars past video. Go through the running, the performance, the durability, and the prices. This base actually was a gift from my wife. This is not that, I mean, it's pretty old, but it's not something I started off with in the beginning of my hobby. I wanted this for a while because I like the look of it. And then when I got it, the performance was way better than I thought. Chassis is a FAZER Mk2, I believe, FF something else. But this is the layout in there, nice clean layout. I'm running the Spectrum receiver though. Running the Spectrum receiver. This is all factory, nothing upgraded. The only thing I ever did, the suspension is plush, as you can see. Bang! Chassis slaps. I don't want this bottoming out, but I'm gonna leave it the way it is. I like the way it performs. I'm not gonna make it a speed car. I'm gonna leave it just the way it is. You got these big monster tires on here. They been it on the inside, not the outside. I had wet them a few times and they still holding up. Still got the not even unbalanced yet. But yeah, these one run Dean's connectors, so I had to do this contracted because I don't have the 3S Dean's. Oh yeah, I do got 3S Dean's. I forgot. I got a 3S Dean's. I didn't feel like looking for it, so. Yeah, this is one of my classic rods though. This is a must-have in your collection. But it's not really a basher, but I like it. I like the A-Team looking body, which I started to make an A-Team body for this, if y'all know who the A-Team is. This also come with light buckets. I'm gonna let y'all check that out in a minute. I'm gonna hook the lights up. Yeah, you got white in the front and red in the back, and I just literally pulled that light out.
Ready.
What is going on with the steering? I got it on 50%, but I turned that just. Gotta take it easy on these gears though, man. Definitely take it easy on these gears. Cause I blew these gears about my third run because I was doing stuff I wasn't supposed to be doing with this car. You know, that was a baby jump. Not that bad on grass. Steering is a little touchy. And the thing about this car, it's best not to run it on 3S. That's how I destroyed my gears. I ran on 3S. It's best to run this on 2S. Well, it's smarter to run it on 2S, I'll say that. Perfect. But y'all know me, I'm not too bright, so I'm gonna run it on 3S. At least if you're gonna run on 3S, let the C rating be not too much. My C rating right now is at 120. No, it's not. Oh, yes, it is. Yeah, it's at 120. Perfect. Yeah. She flies, she glides. I don't know about a backflip. I don't know if I should chance it back flipping. Perfect. Like with this car, you got to be careful with jumping. Like when you jump with this, do not gas. Let's see what it's going to do. When it start getting close to that ground, let off the gas. You rather break an arm than break a gear. Perfect. I had to put input that time.
Oh!
Almost sound like a tire came loose. Perfect. Landing on her feet though. I ain't had this thing out in years, literally years. I got gravel in my foot already and I barely got back here. It's rain, so I ain't gonna be picking up dirt like that. Suspension ain't bad on here. Yo, it is some major boulders around here, man.
Yo, check this out.
Perfect. It's still not bad back here, but not bad at the same time. Oh my God, that's all in my ankle. Yo, this dude went all the way around. As soon as it got close to the log, it just like turned on its own. It's a fun little ripper though, man. Just can't be too hard on it. Cannot be too hard on this thing. Trust me. Not to mention the body is so pretty. A pretty body, very pretty. Body looks so good, you don't want to. Like I had this for, I don't know, man, maybe 3 years now. Yeah, I suffered some damage, but not severe damage to the body. I did a speed test on this years ago, and I believe it hit 50 miles an hour. Oh. Yeah, man, it's a nice little fun. I remember when these first came out, I wanted one when it was the brown body. Then when I seen this color is the brushless body, brushless model. It's nice and stable, man. This thing is a very stable car for it to be a monster truck. Maybe if it had more power, it'd be unmanageable. But 3S is manageable. 2S is even more manageable. Yeah, I'm not doing the dirty. I'm not gonna run hard with you. Just some simple jumps. Perfect. Should be better than that, though. You know, them baby jumps. I only aborted because I seen the edge coming. It's a little stronger than you think, but not strong enough for abusive fashion. I want to launch it hard though, man. But if I come down wrong, it's game over.
Gotcha!
Perfect. Think I better quit while I'm ahead though. I always do the same routine. Yeah, y'all see how I do on 3S? You just gotta be careful on 3S. That's enough power to break something. They say 3S not recommended. Y'all know how. Yeah, I'm all finished, man. How many of y'all had a Mad Van? Let me know your experience with the Mad Van. I love the Mad Van. It's not like most of these RC cars. A lot of these RC cars aren't meant to be driven the same way, so you just gotta remember that. You know, everything is still good in there. Nothing's broke. That's like any person with an RC car, you love that motion to just keep flopping it. You notice you see a lot of RC people, RC channels, and they do this all the time because that suspension, I don't know, we just love that feeling. Just love to feel that suspension. You test it like, oh, okay, something like this is lovely. We love this feeling. And the car look like this when you messing with the shocks. It just, bang, come down and sit like that, man, that's the best feeling you can get in an RC car. So let's see how hot this motor is. Ah, yeah, that motor is very hot. That just burnt the hell out of me. Yeah, it's a little warm. Don't have a fan on the motor. I was a little rough on it. So. But yeah, tell me your thoughts. If you have a Mad Van or did you want a Mad Van, do you think it's worth getting? Right about now, the hobby is a little dry. So, you know, everybody looking at older RC cars because the new, they don't have they do got some new ones, but just, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean. So, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. And I'm out.
Perfect.